into the next left-hander at the end of the straight. Oh, it's absolutely all or nothing for Romain Febvre. Paulin giving him no room to work at all. Meanwhile, Gautier is 5 seconds clear of Cairoli. This is a battle for third. What a battle it is as well. Paulin, Febvre, Bobchev, Van Orby. Strybos, 2 seconds further back in 7th. Guillaume 8th, Townley 9th, Simpson 10. Tixier 11th, Boutron 12th. Lupino, Nagel 14th. Leo 15th, and the Valentin 16th, Searle 17th. You can see the frustration, but finally Febvre goes through. He's been looking at it for 2 or 3 laps now. Finally clear track as well in third for Romain Febvre. But how much time has he got to make? There he was, just got alongside Paulin. And it was all on the brakes in this bottom left-hander.